Have you ever wanted to make a breakfast that is healthy, delicious, and easy to make? Something that tastes like a cross between French toast and cheesecake, but much lighter and simpler? If you answered yes, then you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you how to make a yogurt blueberry toast that will blow your mind. Hi everyone, welcome to Recipe Roadmaps, the channel where I show you how to make easy and tasty recipes with simple ingredients. My name is Freya, and I love sharing my cooking tips and tricks with you. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. Today's recipe is inspired by the Blueberry Almond Yogurt Toast from Food & Wine, but I made some changes to suit my taste and preferences. It's a perfect breakfast or snack for busy mornings or lazy weekends. It's also great for kids and adults alike. It only takes a few minutes to prepare and 15 minutes to bake. And the best part is, it uses simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. So let me show you what you'll need for this recipe. You'll need 2 slices of brioche or any other soft bread that you like, 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 3 teaspoons of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, some fresh blueberries, some slivered almonds, some sugar, and some honey, optional. That's it. Now let me show you how to make this amazing yogurt toast. First, you need to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, in a small bowl, whisk together the egg, the yogurt, the maple syrup, the lemon juice, and the salt. This will be our custard mixture that will go on top of the bread. Next, take the bread slices and place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Using your fingers, press from the center of each bread slice to the edges to flatten and create a slight well. This will help the custard stay on the bread and not spill over. Then, spoon the custard mixture evenly into the wells of the bread slices. You can use a spatula or a spoon to spread it evenly. Make sure to cover the entire surface of the bread with the custard. Now it's time to add some toppings. Sprinkle some fresh blueberries and slivered almonds on top of the custard. You can use as much or as little as you like. I love blueberries and almonds, so I'm going to use a lot of them. They add some color, crunch, and flavor to the toast. Finally, sprinkle some sugar on top of everything. This will help caramelize the custard and give it a nice golden crust. You can also drizzle some honey if you want some extra sweetness. Now pop the baking tray into the oven and bake for about 15 minutes or until the custard is set and lightly browned. Keep an eye on it in the last few minutes of baking so that it doesn't burn. And that's it! Your yogurt toast is ready to enjoy. You can serve it hot or cold depending on your preference. It's so soft, creamy, and delicious. It tastes like a cross between French toast and cheesecake, but much healthier and easier to make. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. If you do, please let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Recipe Roadmaps for more easy and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.